In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use RAND function in Microsoft Word. This is a quick and reliable way to generate placeholder text, perfect for testing layouts, demonstrating styles, or filling space while you design a document. You don't need any add-ins or special settings. It's built right into Word and takes just a moment to use. Start by placing your cursor exactly where you want the sample text to appear. Make sure you're on a blank line so Word can replace what you type cleanly. Now, type equals RAND followed by parentheses, with no spaces, like this. RAND. As soon as you press Enter, Word will instantly insert some sample content. By default, it adds 3 paragraphs, each with roughly 3 lines of text. This gives you a neat block of filler text you can use to preview your formatting, spacing, and overall document structure. If you want more control over how much text appears, you can customize the amount by adding numbers inside the parentheses. Use the format rand ps, where p is the number of paragraphs you want, and s is the number of sentences per paragraph. For example, if you type shouts rand 5,000 and press Enter, Word creates 5 paragraphs, with 2 sentences in each one. It's a fast way to get exactly the volume of text you need without manual copying or pasting. A few things to keep in mind for smooth results. Type the formula without extra spaces, and don't include any additional characters or punctuation before it. The equal sign should be the very first character on the line. If you ever get unexpected results, check that your cursor wasn't in the middle of an existing paragraph and that the formula was typed on its own line. Also, remember that pressing Enter is what triggers Word to replace the formula with generated text. Once the text appears, treat it like any normal content. You can select it, apply styles, test headings, adjust spacing, or delete it when you're done. It's especially useful when you're building templates or demonstrating how lists, fonts, and themes will look in a real document without needing to write or paste actual content. And that's all you need. Click where you want the text, type =RAND for a quick default block, or use =RAND PS to tailor the exact amount you want, then press Enter to generate it. Simple, flexible, and built right into Word.